We've started planning the interiors for our new home, and we want to ensure that we create multifunctional spaces within our home. And on this journey, we've reached Konverto. This is a brand that specializes in space-saving interiors and furniture solutions. So this is the experience center here in HSR Bangalore, and we're about to take a peek at all that they have to offer. Come on. Do watch until the end to see if any of these space-saving solutions is what you need for your own home. And of course, Nest Artfully viewers will also be getting a special offer, so do not miss out on that. And since most of us consider kitchen the heart of our home, let's get started here. Now, kitchen is a high traffic zone and a lot of work happens here. So having some space-saving solutions will make life a lot easier. Let's take a look. Like this set of seamless drawers actually hides another nested drawer inside, which you can also use. And it also provides a little more space. A rack like this is obviously useful, but what I find far more interesting is this corner storage option. Now, what about what's on the inside? All you have to do is just slide this out and then you can access this as well. Great for storing your vessels as well as lighter grocery products. A problem I personally face is storage of dustbins, but this is a solution that I really like. It is very aesthetic to look at and extremely functional. It has both dry and wet dustbins, so you can store this very conveniently below the sink, and it looks very neat and out of sight. And storage options like this, which also make use of the vertical wall space. Lovely place to store crockery, but the most special feature of this kitchen is right here, hidden out of sight, and an extremely good solution for small spaces. And in a lot of homes, the kitchen dining is actually one of the most cramped spaces, so this is the solution to it. It is a hidden dining table. Let's open it up. This lovely unit actually also has several secrets up its sleeve and can be used in more ways than one. This unit right here is actually a puja unit, and what is really special about it is that it completely removes the open door concept, which is quite annoying, and lets you fold it back. Let's take a look. No more open doors eating up your floor space. A tray like this is extremely useful in a puja unit. This unit can be used to store your crockery. It actually even has a small built-in bar unit where you can store your bottles, more drawers, so plenty of storage. There's a counter space here where you can place your items ready to serve, but serve where? And that's the most important feature about this, because this also hides a dining table. Let's take a look. Yet another kitchen and a hidden dining table once again. This uses a slider mechanism, and all you have to do is pull it up and push it down whenever you need to. And behind the dining table, there's even space for your foldable dining chairs. A seamless space-saving design. And now we've come to that product which I've long been interested in, and I think it'll be a great fit for our guest bedroom so that we can ensure we create a multifunctional space and don't take up floor space with a standard bed. I'm talking about a Murphy bed or a wall bed. So if you're like me, I'm sure you have several questions about the wall bed, and I'm going to try and answer as much as I can in this video. If there are more questions that you have, don't forget to leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So A wall bed or a Murphy bed is something that doesn't take up your floor space and instead gets mounted on the wall. And how you can use it, how safe is it, what is the mechanism, I'm going to look into all of that. But let's start with the types of Murphy beds or wall beds that is possible and possible with Konverto. So as you can see, the one here comes with a sofa attached, so you can pull out the bed and then the sofa gets hidden mostly beneath it, and when you don't need the bed you can push it back into the wall and use the sofa or the couch section as you would in a typical living room. So this is great for small living spaces, it's great for studio apartments, and the bed itself goes seamlessly into the backdrop, and you can see it has got some built-in shelves for display and for storage purposes. So it's something that looks really aesthetic as well. The next question people have is how easy is it to use something like a wall bed? And I would say it's fairly easy. As you can see, you have a handle here which you can just pull down. Now for the most important question, is the bed going to fall on us? No, it isn't. It uses a hydraulic system and the bed opens actually in a very moderated manner. So you will have to keep pulling, and after that also it comes down in a very slow and controlled process. Another common question is, can I use my own mattress? Yes, you can. So these are standard sized solutions in single, queen and king options, and you can use your standard size mattress along with it. They also provide these safety belts to hold your mattress in place so that it does not slide or move. So does a wall bed have to look boring? Absolutely not. You can style it as you wish. This beautiful bed also has a complete wood backing and a beautiful headboard which you can personalize. And as you can see in this setup, they also have open shelves on either side for decor knickknacks and storage of items such as books. The wall bed frame and parts are made with MS and 25 mm marine ply. The base is made of pine wood and this ensures good ventilation. An important concern for me to address personally for my own home is if the wall bed has some safety features that can ensure that kids don't tamper with it, and I'm happy to note there is a lock mechanism here which is out of reach for children, and even for someone with my height it's a little difficult to reach, but once you open that is when you can actually pull the bed open. And the lock is not just on one side of the bed but actually on both sides. So as you can see, I'm under the bed. I've stopped pulling it and so it has stopped in place. That means it doesn't just simply fall on our heads. That's what the hydraulic mechanism is there for. So we can continue to pull it and it still will open in a very controlled and calibrated manner. They've tested this product for over 50,000 cycles and they ensure that this product will last anything between 10 to 20 years depending upon your usage. And that brings us to the last question we may have about the wall bed, which is what is the warranty on it? Now for the hydraulics mechanism itself, they provide 5 years warranty, and for the rest of the material used in making the bed, they provide a 10-year warranty. Now if you don't want to look at a permanent fixed wall bed cum sofa option and you want something more flexible, then you should check out Konverto's range of space-saving furniture options such as this beautiful sleek piece here. This beautiful piece can be used as a day bed as well as a sofa, and it can fold both horizontally and vertically to give you maximum comfort. It can also be used as a recliner while watching TV or reading a book, and the best part is that this recliner allows you to have 5 positions, so you can choose the one that is most comfortable to you. They have a variety of sofa cum bed designs that are available, including something like this where the front can be pulled out and the back can be made to recline in order to create a bed setup. They also provide storage options where you can store pillows and other such items. But the most interesting feature is that you can remove the front portion of the sofa cum bed and treat it as an individual seating unit as well. They also have space-saving solutions in terms of dining table designs such as this one, which can go from being a study desk for one individual to a 2-seater dining table to a 4-seater and even a 6-seater dining table. Isn't that so cool? And now for the most exciting part, Nest Artfully viewers can get up to 25% off on Konverto's interior and furniture space saving solution. So do take a look at the description for all the details on how you can avail this. We have personally decided to go ahead with the Murphy wall bed for both the guest bedroom as well as for our son in the master bedroom. So I'll be taking you guys through the design process and execution of that in future videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, take care, have a great day, and see you in the next one.